Okay, so let's apply some CSS styling, all right, so that we can use the unique Google font and so on, and a bit of a button styling. Okay, so rounded corner, we will make it square. Okay, so let's add a CSS, a new file, index.css. Okay, now let's link the CSS in HTML. href index.css. Okay, now the first thing I want to do is I want to take this quote body. Okay, so this is where it will render. Okay, quote body, and then I want to change the font size to make it bigger. Font size, let's say 33 pixel, color red, and then font family. Now for font family we have to import the Google fonts CDN. Okay, so we do that next. Font family, and the font that I was using in the demo that I showed you earlier, that is called permanent marker. Okay, permanent marker, and the fallback cursive. Okay, what you can do is I have to sometimes to override the bootstrap methods, bootstrap default styling, we have to use important. Let's see the font size. No. Let's say important. Is it even linking properly? Let's give it a try. Body, background color red. Okay, so it's working. All right. Okay, so what you're going to do is we're going to import this Google font first, and then we'll fix this out. Okay, so I have the link here. You can also Google search, or you can just copy from me. It's pretty easy. Okay, so fonts googleapis.com, and font family is permanent marker. Let's install it. Okay, I'll make this template available for you as well. Refresh. Okay, so we got the font, which is great. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is the quote author, right? So author section, which we can't see at the moment, but I have made the CSS ready, so let's do it now so we don't have to worry about it. Quote author, and it's just the font size. Font size 28 pixel, and so let's make it important. Okay, now the buttons, I want them to look sharp, not rounded corner. Okay, it's my preference, you don't have to do it. Button, border radius 0 pixel. Okay, and then button on focus, button on focus, I don't want the outline, so it looks good. Okay, so that's all the CSS we're going to write for this one. Okay, so it's sharp corner, it looks good, it's disabled, so good. Okay, so we got the outline of our application. We added some CSS. Now in the next video we're going to start writing JavaScript. All right, we'll see you in the very next video. Thank you.